Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today I'm going to do some chicken drumsticks with a bit of an Asian flavor. So I've got some limes, some dried chili, sesame oil, soy sauce, and some green chives. So we're going to marinate the chicken. And this marinade, you don't want the chicken in for more than half an hour because with the lime juice it is going to start breaking down the fibers in the chicken and basically cooking it. And we don't want that to happen. So first off, let's get our chickens out of the way. We're going to take a re-sealable bag. First off, we're going to juice our limes. On a whim, I decided to zest half of one of the limes. So we are going to get a resealable bag, and I just use a freezer bag, and start adding things. So we've got our lime juice. To add oil. And this is just a neutral oil. I use avocado oil. It's about 1/4 cup. And I decided since it's pretty acidic so far, we're going to put some mirin in it. About a tablespoon. A teaspoon of sesame oil. A couple tablespoons of light soy sauce. And since I don't do spicy very well, we're going to do about half of a dried chili. And I forgot I need to chop my over there. Need to cut up some of my chives, removing anything that looks kind of iffy. There we go. That's about 1/4 cup or so of chives. And give it a mix up. Out of the way, and then we're just going to add our chicken straight into the bag here. Seal it up. Not removing all the air just yet. We want to mix it up good first. Give it a good toss about. Massage it a little bit. So we're going to let that sit in the bag for about 30 minutes. You really don't want them to sit much longer than that, or any longer than that. So just set time to get our chicken in the oven. So make sure you grease your casserole, oven-proof pan, whatever you're using. I'm just going to give it a spray with cooking oil. Put your chicken into your pan. I'm going to pour quite a bit of the marinade over top, and we'll keep some for basting if we need it. So let's seal that back up. So this is going in the oven at 350 for about 3/4 of an hour, or until the chicken is cooked through. To go with our chicken, I've decided to make some coconut rice. So I have jasmine rice, which I'm going to do 3/4 cup of the rice. Then I'm going to need a cup of coconut milk. You don't want coconut cream, you want coconut milk. The cream will be too thick to cook your rice properly. And a half a cup of water. To that, I'm going to put in a small star anise, because mine are really fragrant. Well, maybe if I can find 2 small ones. There's one. There we go. 2 small ones. If you wanted, you could put some of that lime zest or some lemon zest in it. And then we just bring that to a boil, turn the heat down, and cover it. And that should take 15 to 20 minutes. So your chicken should turn out with a nice golden brown. The next thing is the rice. It should be nice and fluffy. If you checked it just before it was completely done, give it a little fluff with a fork, turn the heat off, and put the lid back on. And before we serve it, we're just going to remove those aniseed, the star anise, and then some steamed vegetables, and we're ready to go for dinner. That's my Asian-inspired chicken drumsticks. Served with coconut rice and some steamed vegetable broccoli today. It smells absolutely delicious, and it is tender. Peels right away from the bone there. Oops, sorry. It just peels right away from the bone with the fork. Tastes absolutely fabulous. You could, if you like, serve it with some dipping sauce, like a sweet chili sauce. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again soon.